How much do you think would it cost to have a proper prepper pantry? $1,000? $500? What if I told you that for a pantry full of the products we're going to be talking about in this video, it would only cost you around $100 for a full pantry? Not only does the most expensive product on this list cost only $2.50 per pound, but also having a shelf life of over 25 years. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and this is Budget Prepper Pantry. Top 5 cheapest survival foods. First on the list, white rice. Costing you around $1 per pound. With a shelf life of over 25 years, white rice is the ultimate survival carb, costing you just pennies per serving. Second on the list, dry pasta. Costing you around $1.30 per pound. Packed away properly, it could last you a good 2 to 3 decades. It's the ultimate comfort food, provides quick energy, and you can buy massive amounts for literal pocket change. Number 3, rolled oats. Costing you around $2 per pound with a shelf life of over 25 years. Ridiculously cheap, packed with fiber, and incredibly filling. Fourth on the list, dried beans. Running you around $1.70 per pound with a shelf life of 1 to 3 decades. Pinto, black, or navy. Pair these with your white rice, and you've got a complete, highly nutritious protein costing you next to nothing. And last but not least, peanut butter. Costing around $2.50 per pound with a humble shelf life of 1 to 2 years. It won't last decades because the natural oils eventually go rancid, but the calorie to dollar ratio is unbeatable. Prepping is just about starting. Grab an extra bag of rice or beans on your next grocery run. It's that simple. Hit subscribe for more budget prepping tips, and I'll see you next time.